with a very low ovarian reserve. As you see, we don't have too many follicles. This is the right follicle which has got right ovary which has got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the left ovary has about 3 to 4 good ones. So we are going to pick up today.
So you can see the aspiration needle has gone into the ovary and slowly it is entering into the follicles, and the follicular fluid is aspirated, and you can see that the follicle has collapsed. What was looking like a black fluid filled sac has now disappeared. There are a few more follicles. Yes, you can see that needle, that adjustment going in, and then the needle going inside also, and then aspirating the follicular fluid. Fluid disappears beautifully. So as the procedure of ovum pickup is happening now, through the pass box, the fluid is handed over to the embryology team, and the embryology team is working on it now, and the first job is to identify the eggs which have been retrieved.
3.
So the team has announced to the surgeon that already 3 oocytes have been retrieved. So, and this procedure continues till all the follicles are extracted. And so now she will proceed with the opposite ovary. So that's a beautiful follicle scene on the right ovary. So there's the needle which enters inside under transvaginal sonographic guidance, and the aspiration fluid is received here, and then you can actually see the aspiration fluid drop by drop coming in, and the surgeon's assistant tends to so this is flushing. So sometimes it gets blocked, so flushing is required so that the needle starts functioning again. You can see how the drop by drop. So inside this fluid you will find the egg, which the embryology team will check under the microscope and declare if found. Beautiful, I think one of the last few follicles being aspirated. See how that black spot disappears. Black in ultrasound is representing watery fluid. A thorough look, see if all the follicles have been aspirated. So what has been the so far egg retrieval count?
So we have retrieved 9 oocytes.
9 oocytes, he says. That's a very good retrieval.
The follicular fluid, we have to identify the oocytes. Oocytes can be visible,
Right.
like milky white oocyte cumulus complex.
Yes.
That we need to
Yes.
separate it.
Yes. So it is seen as a oocyte cumulus milky white looking complex, from which he will then take it and place it separately. Now he has placed it on the microscope.
Here you can see the oocyte cumulus complex.
Yes.
This is the oocyte,
Yes.
which is surrounded with cumulus cells.
Yes.
So based on the semen parameters,
Right.
if the semen is optimal,
Right.
then we'll be doing conventional IVF.
Correct.
If it is suboptimal samples, then
Right.
we'll be doing ICSI for
ICSI.
these procedures.
Absolutely.
That time we have to remove all these surrounded cells.
Yes.
And we have to inject these sperms.
Yeah. So that is a process known as denudation,
And then ICSI.
and then ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, can be done.
Yeah.
We have these incubators with all the petri dishes, and then the temperature is maintained at 37 degrees.
We just finished this case of oocyte retrieval, the case we were just talking about. So we could retrieve 9 oocytes, which is a decent and expected oocyte yield for her. So the thing is, now they will be we will be looking for the mature oocytes, that is called as embryos, and from there we will be fertilizing them and make the embryos, and 10 hours for the fertilization after the vaccine, and we will proceed to take them to day 5 and culture them to the blastocyst stage, and we believe in having a day 5 transfer for everyone. So this is how we will be doing.